Welcome to Vietnam. Over the next 90 days, I'll be traveling on this Honda Wave named Fanta, and I can't wait to share all my adventures. So subscribe if you're new. Sit back, relax. First episode starts now.
We'll look to the mountains. We don't care if it's only a dream. Nothing is really what it seems anyway. Now little by little, in the twilight's gentle flow, in the dance of fading light we grow. And all of the warnings, when you wanna be loved by everyone, you get fooled by anyone so easily. I'm lost. You say you're tired, so am I. But without
Welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who don't know, my name is JP. I'm currently in Vietnam. I tried this before in January, but the rain and the wind and the snow and the cold kind of beat me down. But this time, Vietnam 2.0, I'm going to win, and I'm here for 90 days. That's the plan. And I'm going to explore this wonderful country, and we're going to see it all. We're going to do it all, and it's going to be amazing. It's Sunday morning here. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And what a birthday. This is the coolest thing I could ever be doing. I've got a motorbike. I'm in Vietnam. And now today I'm going to Mai Chau. So Mai Chau is a town that I went to, and I fell in love with this town, the locals, the guest house, which you'll see in this video, are the nicest people. It's just a nice spot to have, you know, like a home away from home. And that's the feeling I got there last time, and I just can't wait to get back. Last night in Hoa Binh, but I went to this football game, and it was insane. Like, I got there, and as I walked in, there was a literal, like, super goal. Oh, just missed that super goal. It just didn't turn on fast enough. Unbelievable. Then I didn't realize it was only like 15 minutes to go, and Hoa Binh had the drums out, and, you know, of course I'm going for Hoa Binh because I'm in Hoa Binh, and it was crazy, and they got a penalty to tie the game up. This is much needed. Let's go. Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, boy. Hoa Binh. Woo-hoo-hoo! And apparently it was a real rivalry. There was good sportsmanship, but there was a bit of heat, and you could tell that it meant a lot. So, yeah, but today I've woken up a bit late. I've had some nice phone calls with the friends and family, and I'm headed off. I can't wait to get on the road. So let's go.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know
I'm literally going into a cloud again. It's only about half an hour to get over the mountain. Although we are stuck behind this really slow truck, so it could be 45 minutes. I signed up for it. I better focus on the road because this is quite sketchy. 3 buses, 3 separate buses almost took me out. Like they're coming up the wrong side of the road and I've got nowhere, like literally nowhere to go. I slam my back brake on, I get sideways, I'm like skidding, I'm coming down like this and I'm like, because all I've got is a ditch or head onto a bus. So I'm like braking, trying to slow down, I'm like sideways. The only reason I survived that damn thing is because I reckon as a kid I spent half my life just doing skids like that, but like not in towards incoming traffic. Ugh. Anyway, I'm alive, I'm happy. Damn, that was close, like that was super close. And then it happened 2 more times, so. Oosa, oosa. But let's get down the hill and get into Mai Chau. I'm hungry. It's 1:30 and I've not had any food today, so looking forward to some beef noodles. I can't tell you how happy I am right now. I mean, it's, I was here 41 days ago, or no, yeah, 41 days ago I was last here. And when I left, I was so sad, you know, like I felt like I'd found a little spot in the world where I could call it a home away from home. And like when I got back to Thailand, I was instantly like homesick and I really, really wanted to be back in Vietnam. And to come here again on my birthday is the best birthday present I could really have, you know? Oh, what's this? So check this out. So we've got a cemetery over here. Quite a big one actually. But rather than like a barbed wire fence or, you know, a tall fence, you've just got a concrete wall. And look at this. Shards of glass all just embedded all the way down this wall. Is that to protect people from going in or stop somebody from coming out? We are here. Oh, I can't wait to see Kiki. Kiki's a dog. This is beautiful. The boys are fishing. Is that who I think it is? Hello. Hello. I'm good. It's so green. You did say it would be green. It's beautiful.
Hello, how are you?
Good, my friend. It was so nice to see Tien and Lynn again. They are the most welcoming hosts. The room is 304. That's my favorite room. It's a beautiful bed, but obviously it's all about the balcony and the views all over the valley. It's such a nice place to have breakfast, a couple of drinks, listen to music. Yeah, look at this. Kiki. Hello, little Kiki. I missed you. You're looking so much nicer. Your coat's looking really good. You been a good girl? Yeah. And yeah, the mother here. This is what I've been looking forward to all day. The beef noodle is unbelievable. Bit of soy, a bit of chili sauce. But it's my favorite dish here because it's pretty big, actually. It's huge. And it's only like, was it like $2.20, just over $2 US. Let's get a taste. That beef is so good. And there's a lot of beef too. There's a lot here. I mean, it's got to be at least a 9.3. So good. All right. Bon appetit. So that was an awesome lunch. really, really good. It's my favorite meal here. One of the coolest things here in Mai Chau is just the all these little paths here. So the paddy fields are everywhere, but there's all these little roads, and for the most part, every guest house here pretty much gives away free bikes. Many times in life, you're having a really good day or a good moment, or maybe there's a few people and you're watching a sunset, having a few drinks, and you know, you'll say to yourself or say to others, you'll say, man, this is the life. Like, this is the life. Like, this is a pretty good day for me. I love this place, and I have to say, if this isn't the life, I don't know what is. I just feel so alive. Something about Vietnam hits me right in the soul, and I feel more alive here than I have in so many years. And for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna go for a cruise and just familiarize myself with the area. But we'll come back in the morning and we'll go for a bit of a look, and yeah. All right. I almost got my foot run over there. That was really close. All right, we'll see you in the morning.
For something that matters.